There's no way you can say anything bad about Judge Judy. Friday the 10th of September, which is today, is the last episode of Judge Judy, so we're kind of watching it. I'm a huge fan, and we're watching it to see if they say something. I can't believe they wouldn't say something. I recently watched this doc on Showtime about the gossip columnists, and Cindy Adams is one of her best friends. And we got to go to Judy's house and like see her playing cards. Cindy Adams told a story about her where she goes, Judy makes between $52 and $58 million a year. And when we play gin rummy together every week, we have dinner and we hang out. And last week she won $11 off of me. And let me tell you one thing about Judy. She took the money. Which I love that. She took her $11. And then they're arguing about a gin rummy game. It's a fabulous series, by the way. They're arguing, vociferously about this gin rummy game, and Judy's going, it's 27. You know when you do tricks in gin, I don't know how to play the fancy gin. And Judy goes, no, it's 27. And Cindy goes, no, it's 23. She goes, how can you make millions of dollars a year and you can't even do simple arithmetic? And Judy goes, I can only do math in the millions. There's only one more 30-minute segment. All over the internet, it's saying September 10th is the final episode. So I cannot believe they're just going to run the second episode and not. But in a way, it's kind of Judy-esque to just stop, not say anything. What are we going to do? Watch reruns, that's right. We just want to say thank you a million times to Judith Scheindland. You make me feel at home when I hear your voice. Thank you for your show. And we'll be watching reruns until Kingdom Come. But what a great, great gift you gave to New York City. If they don't say anything, it's chic and not chic.